Hey everyone, it's Donna filming from the closet. Okay, um, box number 99. Okay, 3 bundles here. Can you see them? 1, 2, 3. This jacket is something that they sent me a preview on, and I have a friend that has a jacket like this. I'll be curious about this. So let's go through. I want to show you what the price list is real quick. Yeah, I'll read these off as we go. I'll show you the pictures of what they sent. Okay. That jacket right there. And then the corduroy jeans and the UGG and that little sweater. Sorry about my nails, guys, but I'm letting my natural nails grow out. They grow out very hard, and I'm tired of wearing fake nails. So that's what we got. Okay. I'm curious to see what Mary sent to me. She's a new stylist. Okay, well, let's get started. I've got to start with the jacket. So here we go. This old jacket. I'm going to put on my glasses for a second. Oh, let's tear this baby open. It's very soft. This isn't exactly what she has. Hers was a more ribbed. This is a Andrew Mark performance jacket, sunny puffer panel jacket in a small. And this jacket is it's $98 or $100, and that's what you usually pay for a jacket, $100. And then the back of it's really cute. It's kind of cinched at the waist there. It's kind of cute. I'm curious about that. And then let's tear the next bundle open. This is UGG. Both of these next 2 pieces are UGG. This is the Electra Sleep and Lounge Super Soft Knit Match Back Hoodie. And this hoodie $78. And it is really soft. Let me show you the fabric. You can see it's a stretchy, just very pretty. It's got pockets in the front, it looks like. And I like black loungewear. Okay, next are the pants by UGG. These are thick, like a corduroy look. The KYLO Sleep and Lounge Rib Jogger Matchback. And this is $78. And that's to be expected with UGG. That's the back. Here's the front. No side pockets. And they look like they're a looser fit. And they have a little gather there at the bottom. A cuff. It looks pretty cool. And then they sent me some corduroy jeans. I've been wearing corduroy jeans forever. This is by a company called Democracy. The Catherine Ab Solution Itty Bitty Bootcut Corduroy Jean by Democracy. These are 4 and they're $78. And it is a small boot cut. Those are cute. If those are high-waisted enough and look good enough, I might buy those. I like the color of them. It's a soft cocoa color. And they said she wants me to put it with this sweater. Let's tear this one open together. See what we've got. This is by Babu, B-O-B-E-A-U. The popcorn hooded sweater in mustard. $68. Now, if I buy this separately, it's going to be $380 if I bought them separately. But with a discount, would get all 5 pieces for $285, which isn't that bad. And it's kind of a longer. It's got the little hood. I think I kind of like this. And I think that might be cute with those jeans. All right, guys. Give me a second and I'll try some of this on and we'll check it out. Hang on. First, the jacket. Okay, here we go. What do you think? Very cute. I think this would be fun for hiking or just running errands. See how it has the same fabric along the sides here as the sleeves. The sleeves are pretty thin. Okay. But it's a cute jacket. A little tight in the shoulders. But then again, it has so much give in it, you know. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me get a little closer so you can see it. The fabric's thin like a nylon. I mean, I have black vests that look just like this. So I'm thinking, gosh, you know, I guess it would give an extra layer of coverage on the arms, but it's not a thick fabric, so that's what I'm concerned about. Do I just wear a black vest instead of layering two shirts? I don't know. Hang on. I'll be right back with some more stuff. I got other things here. Snap, I'm back. Okay, you can see my robe behind me. I'm moving you guys all over the closet with me. Hang on, I want to show you these pants are cute. I may have a top, I think, that would be cuter than this with these pants. But I want to show it to you. Hang on. I did a front tuck just because it's kind of a baggy thing. But isn't that cute? I put on a little bit of a western boot with it. What do you think? Now, let me flip so you can see the back end of it here. I think I'm going to keep these pants because I do have a, hang on, I'll show you something. I have a sweater that is actually, it's a little bit shorter that I think might be cuter with this. I'll have to play around. I've got a bunch of sweaters up there. It's an okay sweater. I'll show it to you. A little cut on the side. Not in love with it, I gotta be honest, but I do like the pants. The jacket I'm kind of torn on, but if anything, I think I'm gonna keep these cocoa colored corduroys. Okay, now the UGG. I got some decisions to make. Hang on. I'm back. I've got on the UGG little sweatshirt. I want to show you the ribbing on this. And that it's really soft, very stretchy. It has a cuff at the ankle, the cuff at the wrist. I mean, it's a cute little outfit, but I have three, not UGG, but I have three outfits almost just like this. Do I need it? Oh, I don't think so. But do I like it? Yeah, I like it. So if you don't have one like this is a quality couple pieces right here. Not sure what to get, if I'm going to get any. Might buy a ball. I'll have to think about it. But anyway, hope everybody's doing well. Beautiful fall day. I'm getting ready to go for a hike. And please subscribe. I may do a tea thing here in a few minutes, and we'll go for a ride together. Might be fun. Okay, see you in a little bit. Bye-bye. Please subscribe.